Ackee, which is considered to be a fruit, it is used to cook our national dish in Jamaica called Ackee Saltfish. So I'm gonna go through the steps with you. I'm gonna cook the dish too. So this is the pods, usually 3 in a pod, and then you have, that's how they are with that little black seed at the top. Then you take off the seed and a little pink thing in the middle. And then this is how it is after you've taken all that off, and we boil it in some salted water. And then after that we cook it with the codfish.